Asanibonani babukela emakhaya. Lo bingelelako umuzi wakhe eBhibo kuyo ke eMpumalanga yethu TV sibambisane nayo ke inkomazi parliament la nginemhlonisha otosho ukuthi ngubani wabani siyabona ugqoke iskipa se-ANC ubuye khona kukhongolose mhlonisha ake sibingelele.
Ngibingelelekini be imedia yethu siyambingelela igama lami ngimbheki ngithumeni ngwakamkhoni Sibongo ngisikhona la nje sirepresenta yona African National Congress loku inhlangano yebantu le sibita ukuthi is the leader of the society. So silapha nje namuhla nathi as an African National Congress to pledge solidarity nebasebenzi base TSP. Siya understand ke the issue of bread and butter ukuthi abasebenzi ba affected kangakanani. So as the ANC nathi we are saying where the workers bakhona khona nathi sikhona khona as the African National Congress to support them.
Mhlonishwa namhla kulanga le4 ngeSwati kuthiwa ilanga lesine kuyini ngathini kini baphathi bethu be-ANC na ngibona ngathi into bakhona lithintsho kulo mbhikisho.
Yes, as the African National Congress siyabelievela ke kulento ye round table tikwe negotiations ukuthi as and when they negotiate in good faith, not in bad faith, the employer must come to the fore. They must try to meet the demands of the workers because siya understand ukuthi i-economy lesiphila ngaphansi kwayo kulesikhathi samanje iyasitshela ukuthi simo asihambi kahle nebasebenzi they are the most laba affected ngale simo lesikhona currently particularly here in South Africa. So lesingakusho nje ngiloko ukuthi siyabelievela ukuthi abahlale phansi ba-engage ku-bargaining yabo bavumelane bamithe ema-demands ebasebenzi. Siyakholelwa ukuthi at the end of the day amicable so they can resolve le strike lesikhona.
Alright, Mhlonishwa ungathi niyema bokugcina kubasebenzi labahlangabezana nema-problem la so kulawanye ema-company noma kulethe timboni.
Lesingakusho ngiloko ukuthi basebenzi mandla wenu ngini lenithengisa emandla uma nithengisa ngemandla enu la mandla enu they must be valued. You must be paid lokhu lolingana lamandla enu as long as umcashi noma ngabe ngumuphi umcashi angawamithi ema-demands abasebenzi fight to the bitter end up until the employer meets your demand as abasebenzi. So ngiloko encourage as the African National Congress ngoba siyakholelwa ekuthenini impilo yemuntu omnyama must be bettered. Impilo yemuntu omnyama ayiguqulwe ngoba uma abantu abamnyama bathi awusolo bahlupheka even labo sithulile nathi as the leader of society lokusho ukuthi we are not there to represent the people but here we are here to say basebenzi qhubekani nilwe up until umcashi amithe tidzingo tenu njengebasebenzi.
Babukela emakhaya le iMpumalanga yethu TV sibonga kakhulu kuye ke umhlonishwa lophuma kuye ngokhongolose iANC bafowethu basaqhubeka basashutha sithi asibasupporteni sibanakekele kube ngiloko nje. Ngiyabonga mhlonishwa.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mhlonishwa.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.